Hello class 6. Today I am going to start another new chapter from your English Rapid. And this time I am going to start with the chapter number 7. We have completed up to chapter number 6, and in previous video I have explained the chapter number 6, and we have learned also there Eliza escaped from Mr. Shelby's place in order to rescue her son, and she came to the river. She came by the river Ohio, and she wanted to cross the river. Okay, and she was chased by Mr. Haley, and Sam and Andy somehow they helped Eliza, and then Eliza went to the other part of the river Ohio, other bank of the river Ohio, with the help of another familiar man, and that man actually informed her that she should go to a White House. There Mr. Bird was also Mr. Bird was living with his family. So, and Mr. Bird was a man who was very kind and generous. The man would help Eliza definitely. So now in this chapter we are going to learn that Eliza gets shelter. That means maybe she gets a shelter in the house of Mr. Bird. The large White House belonged to Senator Bird, who had just returned from a senatorial tour. His wife was a small, kind lady who was setting a tea tray in front of a cheerful fire. So Mr. Bird was the resident of White House, and he was a senator. Senator, what does it mean? Senator means senator means the politician. Politician. Senate is actually called the upper house of the parliament in America, and senator means you can understand that the politician who are in the Senate. So he was a very influential, Mr. Bird was very influential man, and he had just returned back to his house from a senatorial tour, and his wife was also there. His wife was was a very kind and generous lady, and she was in front of the fire because it was very cold time, and she was in front of the fire and serving the tea for her husband. Well, what have you been doing in the Senate? Inquired Mrs. Bird smilingly. I believe they have been passing a law forbidding people to give food and clothes to the poor colored people that come along. So poor colored people means here the black colored people, that means the slaves, niggers. So Mrs. Bird was a very kind woman. As such, she was not very angry type of lady, but whenever she noticed that something was wrong for anyone, so then and there she just tried to protest. So here also she wanted to know that what had happened to the law. Okay, maybe there was a law. There was a law which was about to be passed against the that means black colored people. So Mrs. White was asking that what has happened to the law. Was the law telling that we should not do anything for them? We should not help the poor black people, or that means black peoples are what to say, that means was the law telling that black people would not get any food and shelter and clothes from us? What was that? So she was asking her husband that what was there in the law. Why, Mary, you are getting to be a politician all at once. In fact, a law has been passed forbidding people to help the slaves that come over from Kentucky. So Mr. Bird said that no, it was not like that. It was the law was that those who are black people from Kentucky, they will not get the food and shelter and any kind of help from any white colored man. Okay, it was the law, very cruel law, but it was the law at that time. Mrs. Bird was a timid, gentle lady who only got provoked if she was or any kind of cruelty. Her indignant exclamation, however, was interrupted as old Cudjo, the black man of all work, came in and wished Missy would come into the kitchen, which greatly relieved her husband. So it was saying that Mrs. Bird was a timid lady. She was very quiet, and though she was very quiet, but when she noticed that if any wrong thing was happening around her, so definitely she would react. So that is why she did not like the cruelty, and that is why she was against the law. Okay. And when she was about to say something, that time what happened, a servant of her, Mr. Cudjo, he came and he told that Mrs. Bird was needed in the kitchen. And it was really helpful for Mr. Bird, because Mr. Bird was also a nice man, and he could not able to give the answers that why this law was passed and what, because it was not in his hand. Okay. But only a moment later, she called out for him to come urgently. After some time, what happened, that means Mr. Bird was also being called by her wife, that for some reason. Okay. He was amazed at what he saw. A young slender woman was lying unconscious on 2 chairs. So why he was being called? Because he noticed that there was a lady, a slender woman. Slender means a slim woman who was actually lying unconscious. That means she lost her control on 2 chairs. Okay. Her clothes were torn and she was frozen and bleeding from the feet. His wife and another colored servant, old Aunt Dinah, were attending her while old Cudjo was trying to see to the boy. So the lady had the old and torn type of clothes, and she was frozen and her feet were bleeding very much. Okay. And Mrs. Bird and her nigger servant, whose name was old Aunt Dinah, both of them were attending that lady. And Cudjo, that means another servant, he was trying to help the little boy. So you can understand who were they. Yes, they were Eliza and Harry. She was all right when she came in, and she asked whether she could warm herself up in front of the fire. It must be the sudden heat which has made her faint, explained the old maid. So old maid means here Aunt Dinah was there, and Aunt Dinah knew that that lady was asking to get some warmth, okay, from the fire. So Aunt Dinah told that Aunt Dinah actually agreed to that proposal and told her to get the fire. And she was thinking that maybe because of the sudden heat, maybe she fell unconscious. Okay. While Mrs. Bird was looking at her compassionately, Eliza slowly opened her eyes and suddenly jumped. "Oh, my Harry, have they got him?" The boy ran to his mother and put his arms around her. So, while Mrs. Bird was very, that means she was sympathetic towards Eliza, and at that time Eliza got back her conscience, and then what happened? When she recovered herself, that time she actually was asking for her son, and then and there that means Harry came, and he put his arms around his mother.